So I finally arrived in Hampi with 3 hours delayed because they had to repair the AC for 2 hours in the middle of the night. Yeah, and right now I'm on a tour with the guide because it's just easier to get around here, and yeah, he also can explain me all the historical buildings. And yeah, I'm so tired. It's very hot. It's very interesting and quite beautiful buildings, and yeah. Good morning, I'm already checking out of my room in Hampi. This was my room. It was a bit more expensive, but it was only for one night, so everything was okay. And as you might hear, I'm already sick again, so I've just survived my stomach illness, and now it's from the AC, I think, in my last room, and yeah, I'm a bit coughing. But yeah, so yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that much today because I just want to sit here in the restaurant that's directly in the guest house, and I just want to cut a bit. Yeah, but I'm sure I'm also gonna visit something today, and yeah, tonight I'm gonna take the night bus to Mumbai. Yeah.